Today is my off day from work, so I finally get some time to myself, get to create some YouTube videos for y'all and speak to y'all about, investing into the stock market and just the journey overall. So as you watch this video through, I hope you enjoy it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fits. And I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, I'm going to talk to y'all, of course, about the stock market. I'm going to show y'all the portfolio on the day. I told y'all I'm bringing y'all along my journey. And it's just to teach people, it's just to teach you guys about owning assets, taking this journey serious, and learning how to have a better relationship with money, along with a better relationship with yourself, and using your energy the right way. Now, a lot of y'all know that I'm on my journey on semen retention. And if you are new, then you may not know what is semen retention. It is when you retain your energy as a man and you stop fapping your life force away. Alright? It is when you hold your energy, you harness it, you cultivate it, and you put it into better things in your life, right? So you may want to improve yourself mentally. You may want to grow spiritually. You may want to grow a stronger connection with God. You may want to better your finances. You may want to get stronger. Things of that nature. It's creative essence. So a lot of people don't really know what SR is, and a lot of people don't really know their true power, But on this channel, we're here to grow, evolve, and elevate, and we're here to change the dynamic. Alright? So if you want to support me on my journey, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button if you want to. I see I make these videos raw, out in public. I don't care who's watching. I don't care about none of that. The messages gotta get through. And also leave a thumbs up so that we get it on the YouTube algorithm. Now, in order to truly build wealth in this human experience, right, you got to realize that money itself, right, is a tool for you to strengthen. Just like you must strengthen your mind in order for it to get stronger, right? Just like you must lift weights in order to get stronger. You got to reprogram your mind. You got to reprogram your belief system in order to see better results. A lot of people, including myself, we're conditioned to think and lack, and programmed to think that the amount of money that we want is not obtainable, right? Or programmed to think that the only way of making money is to work for somebody else, work physically demanding jobs, right? Or feeling like money is hard to make or hard to keep. When the truth is, the system was designed for people to not truly get ahead, because you go up against inflation, you go up against these jobs paying low wages to the point where it's not truly livable depending on the state that you live in, right? We have addictions, we have bad habits, and they print money every day, so that inflates the prices as well. But what I can tell y'all is that if you do not strengthen your relationship with money, if you don't strengthen your relationship with yourself, right, you're not truly going to know your worth. I told you this before, and I'm going to tell you that again, bro. We are worth way more than what these jobs want to pay us. We just been programmed and conditioned to think that $20 an hour is a lot of money. It's not. We've been programmed and conditioned to think that I have to deal with toxic environments, or I have to settle for this job in order to make it. Nah, bruh, you don't. You can honestly bet on yourself and change the dynamic of your life and look at things totally different. We got the gig economy now. The gig economy, to me, I'm gonna keep that in the video too. The gig economy, to me, is honestly worth it because you have your time freedom, right? You get to do this when you want. You don't have nobody down your neck telling you what to do, X, Y, Z. Yeah, you got to set money aside for taxes, but even working a W-2, they take out taxes regardless. So, whatever. and you get paid the same day, you know? Now, it's a grind, right? But at the end of the day, I feel like if you being smart with your money and you invest in the money, you putting the money into the stock market, you don't gotta wait 2 weeks for a check, you know, or you don't have to wait a week for a check. You can literally make money out here every day. You know what I'm saying? I'll continuously tell you guys that investing into assets, or at least learning, bro, like learning this skill, learning what to do with money, is truly going to benefit your life. You know what I'm saying? Because you'll see things totally different, bro. And like I told y'all, like a lot of things that were taught to us about money, or you know, taught to us from other people, it wasn't necessarily the truth. It was just their truth and their reality. And the subconscious mind picks up on things super fast, you know? So, me personally, I had to, you know, focus on reprogramming my mind, focus on reprogramming my belief system, realizing that everybody is abundant, right? It's just some people really don't believe that they're abundant, or they don't feel worthy, right? And at the end of the day, you cannot run away from how you feel, and you have to realize that you truly are abundant, right? Real talk. And I'm not trying to just sound like some woo-woo, like how they say it, like some guru or somebody that's trying to just sell you some shit. Like, nah, bro, I'm really keeping it a stack with y'all, bro. Like, we all have natural God-given abilities within us that we have to bring to life, you know? And if you learn that, like I said, money is a tool that you got to strengthen, that you have to work on, and you learn that you have the ability to own assets, to own stocks, to own real estate, to put your money to work so that it can work for you, you'll just see everything totally different, right? You know, like that's just a God-given truth. Some people hang around the wrong crowds. They hang around people that don't got nothing going for themselves, or they just doing nothing with their life. You gotta separate from that, right? Like, you have to really separate from that. You have to. It's like God gonna put you in isolation for a reason, so that you're able to think for yourself. You know, God gave us all a brain. God gave us all the ability to think and to take action. So ask yourself, what actions are you taking towards your goals? You know, are you studying the stock market? Are you studying your craft? Are you staying open to receiving from source? You know, like, really ask yourself those questions, and you'll definitely get the answer. I'm gonna be able to move out of this real soon, y'all. I made that vow to myself, bro. Like, sometimes people get attached to their environment and they start feeling like they can't build wealth, but I'm showing y'all that y'all could truly build wealth even living in a tough environment, bro. Another reason why I tell y'all to invest your money and also to retain your seed. Number one, retaining your energy is going to bring you the clarity that you need, right? Which, when you have clarity, when you know what you want, when you know what you desire in life, nothing's going to stop you, because you know what you want, you know? And you really start putting in the work, like you really start taking action. And I feel like being on SR truly makes you feel like unstoppable. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about like you invincible, like, nah, bro. I'm just talking about you got that aggression, you got that hunger, you got that drive, you know? And then you put that into the stock market, you like, nah, I gotta put my money to work. I gotta own assets, because like I told y'all before, right? Like, sooner or later, a lot of these jobs is going to be replaced by AI, right? I be using ChatGPT, and that's about to replace graphic designers, probably writers. You know, in China, I think they built a whole hospital full of robots, you know? So you got companies that's taking this serious. Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla. You're gonna see robo taxis out here. You know, you're gonna see the Optimus robot once, you know, Elon releases the Optimus robot, like you're gonna see a lot. So they might as well own these companies because they're not gonna care about how you feel. They're not gonna care about how I feel. They're gonna do what they want to do. You know? So it just, we gotta pay attention to the times that we're living in. We can't be distracted by things that don't matter, like entertainment, you know, like video games, like all that extra stuff, bro. Like, you really gotta put in the work. You really gotta see things differently and do whatever it takes, as long as it's positive, you know? As long as it's positive. So if y'all need help with it, with like investing, I'm not gonna give you the like, I'm not here to save you. You gotta save yourself. But if you need help with investing, I got a free Discord and I got a free Telegram chat that y'all can always join. You know what I'm saying? And we talk about the stock market. We talk about trading and all that stuff, and we make it work. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys got some good information today based off of what I was saying. I'm not Mr. Know-It-All. I am constantly learning each and every day. I'm trying to, you know, become a better steward of my income and, you know, continue to learn more about, you know, stocks and investing, and continue to retain my energy so that it benefits me, because energy is everything and you cannot destroy energy. It can only be transferred. So if I continue to transfer my energy into building wealth, into being more creative, into giving value to the people, I will always get rewarded, and so would you, you know? And as y'all can see too, like that beeping noise, I bought some batteries, so y'all don't gotta worry about that no more. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos out here now, and it definitely gives me more of a peace of mind. But yeah, asset ownership is very, very important for everybody to realize. We all have the power within us to cultivate and learn very valuable skills. You know, look at yourself as a business owner, which is through stocks, which is through real estate, which is, you know, purchasing ETFs. And even if you run your own business out there in the real world, just realizing that you've always had the power. The power has always been within the mind, and sometimes we set these self-imposed limitations based off of somebody else's opinions on us and what they feel like we can do, or what they feel like we are capable of doing. But at the end of the day, you have to remind yourself that you are the creator of your own reality, and nobody else is. You know, it doesn't matter, you know, how somebody else feels about you or what they say about you. That don't matter, bro. Like, it's truly about what you say about yourself. What is your relationship with self? What is your relationship with money? And are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to take action every day? Are you willing to make sacrifices? Like I said, like cutting out friends, cutting out addictions, like smoking and drinking, partying all the time, because there's nothing to truly celebrate if you're not where you want to be. You know, and if you are where you want to be, you always have like more stages to reach, because as human beings, we always want more. So always keep God first. You know, God is the Almighty. You know, ask God for wisdom, ask God for understanding. Do not pray for money, because money is everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Pray for wisdom and understanding, and pray for the knowledge. Okay? And like I said, I got a free Discord chat, I got a free Telegram chat. If y'all want to ever join it, y'all can. I don't know if people really value free things, but hey, it's free. One day I'll start charging, but for the time being, it's free, because I know that my time is my number one asset, and my energy is very, very valuable. Okay, and I'm showing you guys, you know, my portfolio. I'm showing y'all the stocks. I'm doing that for a reason, so that y'all can see. Like, this is not no bluff. This is not a you don't want to show your portfolio, you just want to talk about it. Nah, I'm gonna show y'all the proof. You know, and I'm gonna keep building. So it's about enjoying the journey overall. Alright, but if y'all want to help me on this YouTube platform, all you gotta do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment so that I can engage with y'all in the comment section, and let's keep on evolving on this channel. Alright, appreciate y'all. Keep on retaining your energy too. Take back your power. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.